Sometimes, the hardest part of the adventure is leaving the house. When you're a parent, the prospect of preparing for a trip can be completely overwhelming. Snacks, diapers, creams, clothes, wipes, bibs. How do you keep track of it all? I'll show you our secret. The Puggle Baby Nappy Backpack. The ultimate adventure backpack for parents with all the functions of a typical diaper bag, but better looking. The Puggle Baby allows us to be more organised so that we can enjoy more of this. Mountains, coastlines, parks, or playgrounds, wherever the journey takes your family, you can rely on the Nappy backpack to support your back and posture with its comfortable padding on the straps and back. Comfort is of utmost importance to us when we're traveling, especially for those times when we're carrying both a backpack and a toddler on our adventures. Doing what we do, we carry our camera and drone everywhere we go. We feel relieved knowing that if the weather suddenly turns, at least the bag is water resistant. Everyone has a different way of organising their belongings. This backpack gives you the option to organise things according to your lifestyle. Drink pockets that you can easily grab on the go, and the bottom zip compartment is where we stash easily accessible diapers and wipes for quick on-the-go changes. The front pocket, this is where we quickly stash last-minute snacks, keys, phones, tissues, wrappers. It's where we can easily access sunscreen or nappy rash creams. Pockets we didn't even find until a few days later were the concealed valuables and change mat pockets. So the next time we travel overseas, this is where our travel documents are going. The best part? You can give plastic bags the flick. The lined middle compartment is genius. After we hit up the beach or pool, this is where all the wet swimwear goes without soaking through anything else. We also throw in soiled clothes, wet bibs, or even smelly diapers. There's also a laptop pocket, ideal for parents who work on the go like us, but you can also store kids' colouring books to keep them entertained when eating out. The added element of stroller buckles has saved us sanity because standard backpack straps tend to slide off many prams, but this allows it to clip on any handle. The Puggle Baby Nappy Backpack was designed by outdoor parents for outdoor parents. The details and thought they've put into this bag really shine when you're out there on your adventures. Ever since we have first received our Puggle, we've never stopped using it. City trips, country getaways, or beach hangs, this is now our go-to diaper backpack because it suits our lifestyle so well. If you love the outdoors as much as we do and you get in, day out with kids, this is probably also the bag for you. As always guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more kids travel product reviews like this one, and make sure you give this video a big fat like. That's the best way to support our channel and what we do. Before we head off, comment below and tell us, which type of bag carrier are you? Backpack, messenger bag, handbag, or give it all to your missus and let her lug it around? Tell us in the comments below. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.
Yes, I'm hangry.